All right, that's good, y'all. Oh, let me delete this because this isn't supposed to be in here. Yeah, we're not peeking anymore. So, don't remember where I was at, but we about to figure out stats. Because I know I put a to-do somewhere. Actually, I could just search the entire project for to-do. There it is. Oh, yes, yes. So, the problem was when adding the second source, um, it was breaking the current one. So I got to figure out why that is. And I feel like it's because I'm missing something um, out of the documentation, right? So when we create the source, so what I was doing was using the text source ID, which is the source identifier, which is fine, and then the desired name of the source, which is unique at the moment, and then settings for the source. Okay, let me see what that is. So if we gdb obs and then break at get stats. Oh, the symbols aren't loaded. Okay, let me run it. Yeah, launch anyway, whatever. And then close this. And then now we can break at get stats source.c at line. Let's just break at, wait, no. I could just do get stats create. Now let's run it. And what I want to do is I want to break that. Oh. No, continue. I gotta add the actual source. Right, so we add the source, and then I want to see what settings holds. Yeah, cool. Settings. Incomplete type. What? Next. Bro. What the? Okay, that's not very helpful. So at this point, I think this is an incomplete type. Okay, wait. What if I add it, but do not do anything with it, and then in destroy, we need to remove the source. Yeah. Which one is the one that removes it if it's a child? Notifies all reference holders of the source that the source should be released. Release. I can't spell. Release. When the last reference is released, the source is destroyed. Okay. So I think I keep both of those. But when we just create it, let me build it. Oops. So if we go to projects, it's stats, and then, oh wait, I want to build the project from here. And then let's run it again. Run. I don't know why that's clear. But yeah, it seems to be working just fine. Oh, no, this is different. Why is it like that? It's not doing anything, I don't think. Whoa. That's all types messed up. Wait, is it just a GDB issue? Oh yes. Or did I actually? Yeah. Okay. Why did it seg fault that time? Oh, it did. Okay, cool. So, I think it is something with the actual creation of it. Because if I redelete this, it should work. Yeah. It's just gonna work properly now. Okay, so when I created another reference to this, that's when the problem arises. But why can't I create two of these? Is there a way to copy the source? Copy filters. Let's copy. Source, copy filters. Why does that do that? Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Source creates. There you go. That's the difference between creates a private source which is not enumerated by and not saved by saved sources. The existence of this function is a result of a design flaw. The front end should control saving such living resources, and functions like should not exist in the backend. Okay. Creates a source specified type with specified settings. Is it because both of them reference the same setting? I don't think so, but won't hurt to try. Because at the end of the day, the other one's just going to be copying those settings anyway. There we go. Okay. And let me double check that I didn't forget to build. Awesome. So that's that. Okay, so now I should be able to add this. Yep. Okay. Oh, that's another thing I meant to add to the to-do. I'm pretty sure it might already be in there, but yeah, it's not very high priority because I think it only shows up when it's 0, but figure out why last number of deletions flickers. I just thought about that. It's only deletions. I really don't know why then. Probably a state of reading or something. Or not properly closing the file. Who knows? Okay, anyway. Did I test this? I don't remember. Yes, I did. Alright, it's working. Alright, so considering we have that working and destroy, it's the exact same. Now we can move on to defaults should be the same. Oops. I wonder if it would interact with that at all. Settings, unchecked files, false. Oh no, because we're pulling from that anyway. Is there anything I need to? No, I'll figure that later. So we segment the string, doesn't get changed. Update will get changed. So here's the thing. I think I need to figure out properties. Actually, I could do this, whatever. So I need a list of what we have at the moment. In there, the grouping doesn't matter for the second source. Let's say repos. No, this is not relevant. This is what's relevant. So this font stuff needs to be set somehow. Interesting how that doesn't work. I don't quite know why. But don't really care at the moment. That's how it works. What does that even do? It doesn't even work. Okay. I'll get distracted. So we need the settings, font, anti-aliasing, the colors, outline, drop shadow, custom text width. I can't get rid of that because I don't even know what I was cooking with that. So where's the source code? Plugins, free type, and then we are looking for properties, which we're already at. And then we need to delete custom text width. There it is, custom width. Uh-oh. Oh, I spelled it wrong. So we can FD and then delete this and then properties. And then this should be going. Boom. Okay. So back to what I was doing. Actually, it's helpful that I have this up now because I can figure out how the font is done. Oh, it's literally add font. Okay. So I don't know why was that properties. Okay, so when we go to updates, we need to set everything in the second one to what the first one is. So, do I have to do anything? Yep. So at the end of here, let's set deletion. Set deletion text source to copy the insertion one. Okay. So now is there a set for all these functions? I really hope there is because that would make my life so much easier. OVS data set string all that stuff. Yep. All right, so what we need to do is all right, let's go through. Ooh, actually no, I can just pull from the other one. So let's bring this up and then we can go to properties. Oh wait, no, these are irrelevant. Oh, duh, that's why I pulled it up. Let me put that on my other monitor. So the font, for fonts. Shoot. Oh, it should be one for font. Add font. Is font just a string then? Font name. So when we handle it, So where is the source data thing coming from? T2 source. Where is that? Structure. Font name, font style. Current scroll speed. Font face. Traffic. If I can copy this. Then, because all these are pointers except font name, font style. So in updates, when we update the font, what are we doing? Font object equals, we say that get object. Okay, so we get an object and we set that in where? Wait a minute. If we're getting the data from there, we can just set it and then we don't have to worry about it, right? Because this is pulling from itself. Use data get object. OBS. Oh my gosh. Data set object. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. Okay, I think this will work. So if we do OBS data set object and then settings, what is settings? Because this is the source itself. So it just pulls from the font object, meaning that for we need to set this value to the object. When we set the string, how do we do it? Set string. Right, so we essentially need to do the same thing, except set object info text source context dot settings, and then this is going to be font, and then we're going to set it to that's how this works, right? Set it to, yeah, the object, which is OVS data get object, and it's going to be from this settings file font. Okay, I I think that'll work, but it's a little long-winded. Okay, so that's the font down, and that's the entire object. So that covers this whole thing. So for anti-aliasing, I need to go back to properties. There it is. Okay, we can get rid of this now. So that's for font. I'll add bool. Move. Anti-aliasing, there it is. So OBS, I'm just gonna assume they all follow the same thing. So set bool, set bool info. Wait, this isn't text source though. This is deletion source. Source context dot settings, and then this is going to be anti-aliasing, and this is going to be object data get bool from settings anti-aliasing. Right? And then after that, what do we need? We need the colors. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's simple. OBS color alpha gets color format alpha. Data OBS data gets color. OBS module text. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume that this exists. Data get, or no, set color alpha. Or maybe it's another object. Yeah, I think that might just be another object. All right. So assuming that this is an object, we take the info source context settings, and we want color 1, and we want to get the data from the object. This is going to be settings color 1. And then we need to do the same thing for color 2. Okay. And then lastly, outline and drop shadow. Drop shadow and outline are both bools. So OBS data sets bool info deletion source context dot settings, and then we want outline, and we're going to get the data settings outline. Oh wait, that's set. Oops. That we want to find S. Okay, and then we do the same thing, except we replace outline with drop shadow. Okay. So that should be that. Alright, I just realized the time. I don't have much time left. But, let's just try this. This should just work. Assuming that I called, oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Now, if I change something, it shouldn't break. Oh wait, it's the wrong thing. I'm a genius. Okay, awesome. So, wait, we got a seg fault when closed. That needs to be fixed. Because I think if we seg fault, we don't save any settings, which is not ideal. Yeah, so when we released it, that was the problem. I don't know why though, because release should just work. Oh wait, I still have some. First, don't want that printing. And then this old to do, oops, can go too. But when we release, we remove it and then we try to release it, but it doesn't work. And maybe that's because settings aren't tied to it. So maybe we don't need this. Oops. That print shouldn't be there either. Print hash map. Yeah, let's get this going away. So yeah, let's delete this and then delete this, because we fixed that already. But anyway, when we continue and then we close this, we still got a seg fault. Why? Oh, I see. It's tied to the other one. So when we... Oh boy. I don't know how to fix that. Because when we release the other one... Can I just straight call it to release? Rather than signaling to remove it? I don't think I can. I think I'll have to figure out a way to like untie them first and then do it. Yeah. Okay. So for this, to do, figure out a way to untie the insertion and deletion sources so they don't seg fault. All right, that was good. And we just need to keep going through and integrating the deletion source, and then we should be done. It's a little longer than a process that I thought it would be, but you know, it is what it is.